Talk about the difference between a natural product like red yeast rice and a single entity drug like Lovastatin, where you can have, more side effects.
When the statin drugs came out, and I don't know if it was like in 1980s or something like that, when they first came out, they've been around a long time. Because they were marketed so heavily to physicians, there was the inducement that everybody should be on a statin drug. And they found out very quickly as they started doing that number one, not everybody should be on a statin drug. Statin drugs are overprescribed, leading to a lot of problems for a lot of individuals. But that red yeast rice, which is a natural monocalin, which is the natural version of the prescription drug Lovastatin, that has a pretty good effect on lowering cholesterol as well. Now, when you get a high dosage of that, a very high dosage of that you can have some of the same problems that you see with statins. But the key to using red yeast rice is to know what the dosage is, making sure that you have a quality product and that you have somebody that knows, like yourselves, there to help your patients and the people that are interested in these products at your pharmacy there. So that's, the big difference is on the one side, it's a prescription. It has some side effects to it. The Lovastatin does, the prescription product. Red yeast rice is a little lighter on that. Plus, the red yeast rice has some other ingredients that work together with the Lovastatin to help lower cholesterol and lower lipids.
I think that's one of the dilemmas in modern day medicine, modern day pharmaceuticals is the pharmaceutical companies find a plant that works for a disease state, i.e. lowering cholesterol, and they try to find one active ingredient in that plant. When in reality, just like you said, there's probably multiple ingredients in that plant that work synergistically, work together with the ingredients to help, lower the cholesterol without the side effects.
And you see that pretty much in all of the products that are out there for integrative cardiology, that they're not only integrative to be used with pharmaceutical agents, but they have integrative courses of action that they do once you start taking them, which are not found with the prescription products. So actually you are getting maybe a little bit more metabolically complete approach when you use something like a natural product.
Well, there is sometimes nutrient depletion that happens along with pharmaceutical medications, and especially with our statins. And so a lot of the integrative approach replaces that along with, and most of our pharmaceuticals do not put, for example, CoQ10 in with their prescription, but that is certainly a nutrient that becomes depleted over time. And so a lot of the products that I see that have red yeast rice will include that in their product as well.
Absolutely correct on that one, Deanna. And what's interesting is that before they brought out Lovastatin, Merck Sharp and Dohme had a version of that product that had coenzyme Q10 included with it. And they actually knew this in advance before they brought it to market. And I don't know what their justifications were, but they left it out. They left coenzyme Q10, which is a very essential nutrient for heart health, to have a product that lowers lipids, but it lowers your coenzyme Q10 as well. That's not much help. And so it's up to pharmacists to be recommending to their patients, yes, if you're going to take that statin drug, you better be taking coenzyme Q10 because it has an important role in your body, particularly in heart health.